So here is the pairing scenario, and right now here you can see we have two different subnets, one on the platform of 10 while another on the platform of class C 192.168.0.0, and the first one is with the prefix length of 24 while the second one is with a prefix length of 16. And here you can see we have two different virtual networks. Here you can see the details. So we have two virtual networks right now. The first one is VNet while the second one is EBIS VNet 1, and both with different prefix length and different classes. Right now if we discuss the default scenario, so within this VLAN all VMs will be connected with each other. They can share the resources, they can make the remote desktop sessions and all kinds of activities regarding the network connectivity. And same goes with the second VLAN which is VNet 1. Within VLAN 1 virtual network, all virtual machines can connect with each other, they can share the resources and perform all kinds of connectivity which generally require for any kind of connectivity. So by default, if we want that both these virtual networks can connect with each other, so by default this traffic is isolated, right? So if you want to enable that kind of connectivity in which one virtual network can connect with other virtual network PCs or resources, for that purpose you need to enable pairing in this scenario. So let's move and see what kind of actions require for the implementation of pairing. But before this we need to clear all this stuff and verify these all settings on the platform of Microsoft Azure. On the platform of Microsoft Azure, here you can verify the scenario. So we have the first virtual network EBIS VNet, and on the other hand we have the second virtual network with the name of EBIS VNet 1, and you can also verify its private IP address from here and the public IP address from here. And in the same manner, if you want to verify the subnet, so we have 10.10 subnet over here and the public IP is over here. So these two virtual VMs are not connected with each other just because they are exist in a different virtual network, and we can verify this connectivity on virtual machine as well. Here we have the first virtual machine, Windows Docker 10 VM. So if I can ping from here, so let's 192.168.0.4. so we will get the response, and here we go, it's request time out. So just because they are exist in a different virtual network, so the traffic is isolated inside the single virtual network. So we just need to sort this out and implement pairing option, and after the pairing you will see these both virtual machines will be connected with each other. So let's move and implement Azure pairing for these two virtual networks.